Hi folks, if you click on text, type in the text you want. I've got a full KineMaster video course, which is free. I'm going to display that at the end of this course. So you can select the colour for your text there. The dog's trying to get involved in the video now. So we're going to add a background colour. So we're going to have a full width, so a band going right through the middle. So the colour of the text isn't very good, so I'm going to change that later on. So you don't like the red colour? So as I said, I changed the colour. I'm now going to add some animation to the video. Just going through and showing you the different options. So down the bottom you can see the duration of the animation there. So I like the speed of it. So you can see an outline on there. Now if I did a black, you can change colour. So you can add a text glow. So, as it says above, I've got a free KineMaster, which I'm going to put a link on at the end so you can see the video after. Please like and subscribe if I'm valuing this video. We've got other options there as well. Go up there to text, change the text to whatever you want. We all have our particular favourites. I've just added that one just as an example. Got to consider with text if somebody's looking at this on a mobile device. Thanks for watching.